What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to a brand new Cheap Finds Friday. We're out here in LA about to hit the Silverlake Flea Market because you guys enjoyed the last one. So thank you so much for all the love and support. We're gonna see if we can find anything dope here today. So let's get it and let's go. What's up, bro? I like that lace swap.
With yellow?
Never seen it with yellow before. Yeah. If you guys enjoy watching the Cheap Finds Friday videos, comment down below and let me know what your favorite part about it is in the comment section. Is it the deals that we find? Is it the pieces that we find? Or you just like the vibes? Comment down below. Dang, we got some of these old tronies right here. You got a Sparko outfit? Ivan, you ready to go racing or what?
Bang some gears.
Bang those gears. Look at this Hello Kitty blanket. This would be dope for a tote bag. Colin, next tote bag coming soon. We got Big Homer down here. Oh my goodness.
I could see you wearing this.
What?
And just this.
Bro, I'm out, man.
Oh my gosh. Yo, I used to have this Buzz Lightyear. If you guys mess with Buzz Lightyear, hit the like button.
What else I found?
The freaking Heelys?
Heelys.
Are they the double? Are they the double ones though? Oh, let's get one like for the Heelys. Good times. You got some custom Python Jordan 1s out here. Size 8.5.
Guess the price.
Guess the price. I don't know how much.
750.
How much do you think they're gonna sell for? Ivan says 750.
Say 400.
400?
Yeah.
Okay. Look what David found. He found a Supreme box logo. It has a little oil stain right here. But other than that, man, I mean, this is in pretty good condition. Check this out. Nice little wash. And he wants $150 for this just because it has the stain right here.
But the thing is, I don't know if it's like legit, you know? It says it's legit, but I don't.
You can't tell.
It's hard, you know? But it looks good.
Everything looks good. It's just that little...
You can't even really see it, dude.
You oil this with some RIT dye. Does David do it? Yes or no? Stay tuned. David picked it up. Supreme box logo, little oil stain, but we're gonna try to figure out how to get rid of that.
I think I'm just gonna... I don't know. That's lit.
Dude, dip it in oil and it will just... It will blend.
He was asking 140 for it, but I got him down to one.
I thought he was asking 150.
He was asking 150 for it.
Yeah.
I started like, I told him, I hit him with the, thanks man, you know, I'll think about it. And I kept looking around. He's like, you know what, I'll let it go for 140. And I'm like, I don't know, man. And then he showed me some listings and everything. And I'm like, okay, this seems pretty legit, you know? And I just got him down to 125. Which
125?
is crazy, but.
Dude, this is thumbnail, real quick. Dang, that has David all over it.
It looks small for an XL.
Maybe it's a kid's XL.
No, I mean, it is XL, but it just looks like it's a large.
The Silverlake Flea was a little more dead than the last time that we came, so I couldn't get too much footage. But we are gonna continue this video with like a regular vlog. So this is gonna be like a Cheap Finds Friday mixed with the vlog, so I hope you guys mess with that. We're heading over to Shoe Palace right now to see if they have anything laying around, because in LA, sometimes stuff be laying around and we don't know about it. So let's go. Let's see if they got anything. Yo, they got some Dunk Lows here, guys. Show them the Dunk Lows. All
Alright, today we have the preschool Dunk Low.
Dude, I like how they did the real stitching and everything all around. They could have done the fake stitching.
They could have.
So fire.
Yeah, these are the only dunks. And we got like a women's one right there. Like the orange.
Damn. These are fire.
Bro, they have like a different look.
So Riff has been closed for the longest time, and they just moved a couple stores down from their original shop. So we're gonna check that out. We got Ivan coming. Where's David?
He looks at that over there.
Okay, okay, okay. Everyone says that these are hella comfortable.
No,
Oh, it is?
yeah.
Oh, yeah, I see it now.
Yeah. It's like, it's low key on this one. The white pair is better.
Oh, yeah, because it's only on the inside.
I know. I'm like, why do they do that? Bro?
Are you going to try them on or what?
I think a 10 is fine.
Maybe.
I'm not usually 9 and 9.5.
You never know until you try. What do you guys think about this? Comment down below. Are Yeezy slides it this summer? Are these the next Crocs?
Hey, bro, we can just hit some holes through here,
Yeah, I'll punch the holes with my leather punch.
and then we just put some Croc pins in that. Dude, that'd be
Dude, that would go viral. That would piss a lot of people off. Ivan just got some Yeezy slides. Ooh, you got the nice color. I like that.
Size 10. You definitely want to go up size for sure.
They look so funny, but they look cool at the same time. Oh, they kind of do. All right, we're gonna try it on for the first time.
It's squishy.
They're actually kind of comfy.
They are.
Bro,
Look. Put some height on them.
yeah, what the
You're hella tall now, dude. $270, guys. You know how many Croc and Croc charms you can buy with that? That's like a lot. You know where you can go get some though? Where? Shuffle.com.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine, but you just can't get into it because they would never understand.
You know where you can get a cool car detail? Damn, bro. Not at Stay Glossy Auto Detailing.